Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to open an HSBC bank account online. So, doing it online is really convenient because it literally allows you to set up an account without even going to a branch. So first, simply head over to the official HSBC website. Then, make sure it's the correct site so your personal information stays safe. So you can do this by simply checking the URL. And once you're here, you then have to look for the Open Account button. So it's usually going to be somewhere on the homepage. And next, you then need to fill out some personal information like your full name, date of birth, address, and contact info. So HSBC may also ask for some identity verification. So stuff like uploading a photo of your ID or passport. And sometimes it also may be a selfie to confirm that it's really you. Then you also have to set up your online banking credentials. So this includes your username, password, and sometimes some extra security questions or two-factor authentication. This helps your account stay safe and secure. So once everything is verified, you then get a confirmation that your account is open. So depending on your selection, you might also get a debit card mailed to you within a few days. And after that, you're literally ready to log in. Start using online banking, set up payments, and manage your money all from your phone or computer. And that's it. The opening an HSBC account online in 2025 is really safe and super fast. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.